guys, this is a 4500 OfficeJet HP wireless printer. The color printer is not working at all. I mean, like, color print is not coming at all. So what I did, I opened it. There's one bowl, two bowl, another two there, and then four, 5 and 6, and another one down over here as well. See, can you see that one there? So you take all the bolt and you pull up this bit, and don't try to remove over there because it's stick on the top. Just pull up here, take it off that, and then you need to be very careful when you take it off the top set, because of there is a cable inside which can be damaged. So you need to be very careful. Open the 4 sides and then slowly do that, and then you can open it from the front, and then I'll show you the cable inside. This is the cable. You just pull back the cable, it will become off. You don't need to open any clip or anything like that. Just pull back, it will become off. And then this is the same as that, so you can pull back and then it will become off. Is that cable coming to the top, the setting buttons? If you want, you can take it off, or just this cable, you can take it off and put back the top cover. This one, you put it back like this. You can put it back like this. Okay. Put that safely. Don't damage that cable. Don't damage the cable. Make it safe. And then you have to take it off this one. If you want it, you can take it off. If you wanna take it the whole door spot. Yeah. And hopefully the problem is, this is the black ink's going hole. Can you see this one? This one is the black ink going hole, and this one is the color one. I think the color one is blocked. So what I did, I got some thinner, and I'm going to pour it down a little bit, and hopefully it may clean while it's working. I think so. So how it works. Okay, it's ready for the test. So what I'm going to do now, remove the black cartridge and put it here. There's only the color one, so we're going to test with the color cartridge. I'm going to copy this one. Okay. Select the color, and then press OK. Check how it comes now. Okay, I replaced the black one because of the copy is all green, which has to become black. See, this all came as green, so because I removed the black. Okay, this is the one we made it. Look at this. Look at these copies. This is the one, the first one, and then the second one, and then the third one, and then the fourth one. It is far better than the previous print. So hopefully it will be good, because of I used to refill the cartridge. So I think it's there is 3 colors you need to fill. Maybe the yellow one is not that good enough, not filled enough, I think, on that. there's a less the yellow filling was very less, I think. So hopefully you learned something, guys. Thank you for watching.